Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by updating Instagram and preparing the basics. This isn't fluff, it's the fix. Once updated, make sure you're using the correct account type because some stickers are gated to business or creator profiles. Next, clear the app cache and force close Instagram, then restart your device to flush temporary glitches. After the reboot, open Stories camera immediately and check the sticker tray. If stickers still don't appear, switch networks from Wi-Fi to mobile data and proceed to deeper steps. You now do the detailed work. Create a story draft by taking a photo or uploading media so Instagram loads sticker options for that content type. Make sure you granted permissions for location, microphone, camera, and storage in your device settings. Without them, some stickers won't appear. Once permissions are set, log out and log back in to refresh server flags, and if that fails, reinstall the app to clear corrupted installs. After reinstall, open Stories and check the sticker tray again. Move to final steps if needed. You finish by isolating and escalating. Try the same story flow on another Instagram account or a different device to determine whether the problem is account-specific or device-specific. If the tray is empty only on one account, switch account type or unlink and relink third-party integrations. If it's global, report the bug via settings, help report a problem, and include screenshots. Make sure to wait 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes sticker rollouts and server fixes take time. If nothing helps, the one troubleshooting tip: try a different network and then file the bug report.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.